Cuban Picadillo. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons olive oil, 1 pound ground beef, lean, 1 onion, chopped, half green pepper, chopped, 8 garlic cloves, minced, 15 ounces, canned tomato sauce, 3/4 cup white wine, 2 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup raisins, half cup green olives, 2 potatoes, cubed, half cup oil for frying. To serve: rice, fried plantains. Instructions: heat 2 teaspoons oil in a large skillet over high heat and brown ground beef. If using fattier ground beef, omit the oil, add onion, green pepper, and garlic. Sautee for 2 to 3 minutes. Lower the heat and add tomato sauce, wine, bay leaves, cumin, salt, and pepper. Mix, cover and simmer for 10 minutes. While the picadillo is simmering, in a small pot heat half-sea oil over medium-high heat. Fry the potatoes in 2 batches until golden, 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the fried potatoes from the oil and place on a paper towel-lined plate. To the simmered picadillo, add the raisins and fried potatoes. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the olives. Serve the picadillo with rice and fried plantains.